How to install Visual Studio Code for Angular. In this video, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code and set it for Angular development. Let's get started. First, go to official Visual Studio Code website, which is code.visual.studio. So open any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. After that, type in code.visualstudio.com on the search bar. Now click on this option which says download and download the installer of your operating system. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the installation steps to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Here I have already installed Visual Studio Code on my computer. Next step is to install Angular CLI. After installing VS Code, open your Visual Studio. Now install Node.js. Open your VS Code terminal and type npm install-g@angular-cli. This will install the Angular CLI globally on your system. Next step is to install extensions for Angular. Now inside VS Code, open the extension panel which is on the left side. After that, install these helpful extensions. First one is Angular Essentials. Type in the name on the search bar and click on install. Next one is Angular language service, and third one is Prettier for code formatting. Now next step is to create a new Angular project. Finally, in the terminal, create a new Angular project by typing ng-new, your project name. Follow the prompts and you are ready to start coding. And that is how you can install Visual Studio Code for Angular. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.